Hi friends, welcome to my channel Chic and Savvy, where we talk about all things relating to planning and budgeting. My name is Carissa and today we will be doing my spread for week 2 of June. So let's go ahead and get into it. We're going to be using my Planner Envy subscription stickers from the June box, and it is a tulip, boots, flower, butterfly, some tea. So I'm thinking garden theme, right? And I kind of flipped through these and they are just so cute. So these are the deco stickers. We have some flowers, some boots, some tea. Love it. And I love this pattern. We have the border, some boxes, some more boxes, some bulletin points, days of the week, more boxes and headers, and more boxes and some lists. So we're gonna go ahead and use these to fill out our spread. So let's go ahead and get our pages. Okay, so I have my sheets and we got our stickers. So I have my snack, which is a Sprite, but that's what I'm gonna be snacking on today. So grab your snack, grab your dessert, grab your food, and let's fill this spread out together. I wasn't able to light my candle last time because the flame got really big. We're gonna try again so we can light our vibey candle. Let's go ahead and see. It got really small. It was big and then it got small, so I think we're okay this time. So we're gonna keep our candle going and we're just gonna jump in. So last week when I did this, I had like the worst headache possible and I'm feeling so much better. I don't know what, after I came back from my work trip, I was just in like a funk for like 2 weeks. Like my stomach was hurting, my head was hurting. I thought for a second that I was pregnant, but false alarm. But I don't know, like I didn't know what it was. I probably should go to the doctor, but I gotta make that phone call and that appointment, and I can get kind of lazy about that stuff, but I need to. I definitely need to. But I'm feeling way better, so that's good. I'm a lot more motivated when I feel better to do things, so doing this is gonna make me super excited. So let's go ahead and start with the top. Actually, no, let's do the border. I have been doing these smaller borders, but I really like this design. But I think I'm gonna still keep the small, yeah. So let's go ahead and grab, let's see what the colors look like. So we don't have much blue, so let's go ahead and take this blue. There we go. And then we can just put a sticker here. So let's go ahead and do that with this. And then we'll put a sticker on the other side. Okay, I think that looks better because then I can just put a sticker on either side. Okay. Let's go to the top and we're gonna use our headers, but I want to find our sticker to write June. It's not on here. So we have these, and then we have these. Probably do this. So we have Sunday, Monday in green, Tuesday. So let's go ahead and do the blue one. And I hope I don't mess it up because I think last week I did. Okay. And then let's do Sunday. Perfect. Okay, and then we can do the other side. It's looking good. All right, so now let's do the sidebar. And I kind of do my spreads similarly each week, which may be boring, but I try to mix it up with like the different boxes, but I like this. Maybe we'll do that. And I have been cutting these down to size to fit the square, and I actually like how that is looking. This actually has way too much green, so I'm not gonna pick this one. Let's see what other ones we have. We have this, but it still has green. This one doesn't have any of the big ones. And then we have this. Could do this, but I wanted something more with that red color. So we can definitely put this on the side because I like to have a list for like my lunches. This has like more purple. There's purple right here. Let's do this one because it has some of that red in it. Okay, and then we can put our lunch list. Do this one, and then we can do a to-do or things to do for the week because I like to have just like an over. I'm actually gonna take one of these ones that I can write on because I kind of wanted to say priority. And so I'll have to do it in this like pink. No, let's do it in orange. It's a little too big, so we're gonna cut it. Oh, now it's too small. It's okay. And then we're gonna write priority, and then we will put some of these. And then we can put a little box maybe. Oh, it barely does. Perfect. Let me cut some off the back. Perfect. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of these decorative stickers that are not really functional, and I'm going to put one in every single column. And I'm gonna just spread them around. Okay, so I have all of the decorative boxes out. So now we're gonna go ahead and put in our functional boxes and our lists and everything like that, and then we'll come back and see what the final product looks like. right, guys, I think we're finished. It wasn't my best work, but I like the way that it looks. It's a little busy, but what else is new when it comes to me and my spreads? But I love all the colors. I really liked that they added, it wasn't just a simple garden theme. They added like a house, the windows, the front yard, a little garden, floral stand. I love this and these patterns. I really loved all of those, but I think it turned out okay. So I do have some things going on this week, so I tried to add in those boxes when I could, but like I said, I probably could have done better, but I was getting a little overwhelmed. But I think overall it looks great. I hope you all have a fabulous week. Thank you all for being by my side throughout this journey, and I can't wait to see where life takes us. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye, friends.